It's 2025. Do law firms still need to invest in SEO? Most definitely. I'm going to give you 3 easy but important reasons why. Hi, my name's Trevathan. I'm the founder of Arclight Interactive, and I'm a former law firm CMO. I have years of experience running SEO campaigns for law firms. But in the last few years, the amount of disruption that we have seen from AI is just truly incredible. And it has a lot of business owners, a lot of law firm owners, questioning the viability of this marketing strategy. And that is understandable. But I'm here to break down 3 key reasons why it is still worth it to invest in search engine optimization in the midst of this AI revolution. Reason number 1, SEO is about building a long-term credibility and trust. 96% of people still begin a search for legal services online. So even with AI generated answers now populating that top space on Google search, which is frustrating. I understand that. But even with that, Google still prioritizes websites that have built up that credibility, built up that trust. From a content perspective, you've covered comprehensively the areas that relate to your practice areas, your expertise. You've showcased, what you do. We've showcased client testimonials, what you do to impact your community, all these things that help significantly build your SEO and your long-term visibility. This is the thing that can really generate a ton of high quality conversions for the long run. So yes, for that key reason, investing in SEO and building up your rankings in Google is still very much worth the effort, the time, the investment now in order to achieve that in the future. Reason number 2, AI and voice search are changing how people are finding lawyers online. So really is a time to adapt or be left behind. If you're not considering that element when it comes to the content on your website, continuing to create content, continuing to answer the questions that your target audience has. And this is an approach that I've taken with my clients for years and years, and it's always continued to work. And if anything, us moving in this direction, that approach of not really worrying so much about injecting keywords and things like that, and more just who's our key target audience, who's our ideal client, what are the questions that they would have on their journey to wanting to hire us to be their lawyer. What are those key questions? Let's make sure that we answer those questions. We showcase how we help people in those situations. We showcase our thought leadership, our expertise early, provide help, really approach it that way too. This is still a time. So investing in that right now with the change with people using voice search, that approach of understanding who your target audience is, understanding the problems they have, and just genuinely answering those on your website. That's the approach. That's what's going to work. And that's really, really more than ever worth investing in 2025. Reason number 3, paid advertising has never been more expensive. In 2025, there are more law firms advertising online than there ever was before. So really, no matter what platform you're looking to focus on, you're looking at more competition, you're looking at bigger budgets in order to achieve those results you need. It's just become tougher. And it's really almost never a situation where I would recommend to a law firm to solely focus on paid advertising. There's always that element of the content marketing, the SEO. That's how I like to approach my strategies, because you don't want to have to rely on paid advertising. So in some way you are looking, and you should always be looking at it this way, when it comes to your marketing strategy, the long term needs to be an important element in what you're trying to do. You need to take the time to consider that. So not having SEO in your marketing strategy just still doesn't make sense. 2025, it's still more viable than ever, I'd say, especially given the fact that you can approach it more genuinely than ever. If you understand who your target audience is and you understand the problems they have, that's the approach. Answering those problems, letting them know who you are, how you help your clients. That stuff really works. And so yes, I still highly recommend investing in SEO in 2025 and beyond. My name's Trevathan. I'm the founder of Arclight Interactive. And if you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. But in any case, thank you for watching and have a great day.